Eco mode in the Peugeot 508 from 2011 to 2017 is a fuel-saving setting designed to optimize the vehicle's engine performance for maximum efficiency. When activated, Eco mode reduces throttle response to enable smoother acceleration, adjusts automatic transmission gear shifts to maintain lower engine RPMs, and may limit air conditioning power. This helps save fuel and reduce emissions while driving. To activate Eco mode in your 2011-2017 Peugeot 508, locate the Eco button on the center console. Press the button to activate Eco mode. In some models, you may need to navigate through the trip computer menu on the dashboard using the steering wheel controls to find and enable the setting. Look for the ECO indicator light to confirm activation. Disabling Eco mode is as simple as enabling it. Press the Eco button again on the center console. Alternatively, if you enabled it through the trip computer, navigate back to the Eco mode setting and deselect it. The ECO indicator light will turn off when disabled. When used effectively, Eco mode can lead to fuel savings of approximately 5 to 15%. The actual savings depend on your driving style and road conditions. To maximize benefits, maintain consistent speeds and avoid hard acceleration. Some users have reported over 10% fuel savings by using Eco mode on long journeys. Poor driving habits like excessive speed or carrying roof cargo can significantly reduce fuel efficiency. Good habits, such as maintaining proper tire pressure and smooth driving, can lead to substantial savings. Smooth acceleration is key to maximizing Eco mode benefits. Avoiding rapid pedal movements helps maintain steady speeds and improves overall fuel economy. Fuel economy is best at moderate, consistent speeds. The graph shows how efficiency peaks around 30 to 55 miles per hour and declines at higher speeds. Eco mode's effectiveness depends on proper vehicle maintenance. Regular checks ensure the system works as intended. Proper tire pressure is crucial for Eco mode to achieve its fuel-saving potential. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and reduce efficiency. Clean air filters allow better engine performance in Eco mode. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and consuming more fuel. Engine wear over time can diminish Eco mode benefits. Older engines may not respond as effectively to the mode's adjustments. Eco mode offers basic fuel saving compared to modern hybrids. It lacks sophisticated algorithms that adapt to driving conditions and predict efficiency. Without proper maintenance, Eco mode savings can drop significantly, from typical 6 to 14% to as low as 2 to 5%. A UK Peugeot 508 owner documented a 12% fuel efficiency gain using Eco mode on motorway journeys. Over a 5,000-mile test, fuel consumption improved from 45 milligene to 50.4 milligene by combining Eco mode with steady speeds and cruise control. Auto Express magazine compared Eco mode performance and found the Peugeot 508 system slightly better than the Toyota Corollas in city driving. The 508 achieved 8% fuel savings compared to 7%, thanks to its integrated stop-and-start technology. However, a 2016 diesel Peugeot 508 owner reported only minimal savings of 3% due to engine wear. This highlights how proper maintenance, like clean air filters, is essential for Eco mode to work effectively. Automotive experts praise Eco mode in the Peugeot 508 for its simplicity, making fuel saving accessible to everyday drivers. However, experts note its limitations compared to modern systems. The 2011 to 2017 Peugeot 508's Eco mode lacks advanced telematics and adaptive algorithms found in newer hybrids. It's effective for casual drivers who benefit from the basic fuel-saving adjustments without needing complex technology. But it lacks adaptive algorithms that predict and optimize based on driving conditions, unlike AI-driven systems in current models. Experts emphasize that behavioral change, like eco-driving training, can significantly increase fuel savings beyond what Eco mode alone provides, potentially reaching up to 20%. The Eco mode in the 2011-2017 Peugeot 508 provides basic fuel efficiency through engine adjustments and gear shifts. However, as automotive technology advances, fuel-saving systems are becoming more sophisticated. Future fuel-saving technology moves beyond basic Eco mode. Peugeot is phasing out combustion engines by 2030, shifting to hybrids and electric vehicles. Eco mode will evolve into AI-driven systems that predict driving needs and optimize fuel use in real time. These advanced systems promise significant improvements. Machine learning will analyze driving patterns, traffic conditions, and route data to optimize fuel consumption. Experts predict 20 to 30% savings, far exceeding current eco mode capabilities. Additionally, aftermarket retrofits could potentially upgrade older models like the 508 with these emerging technologies, extending their fuel-saving potential.